I'm surprised by the effort Paul Tungwarara is putting in to make sure BU3 sells through. No one fights this hard for free. Sarapina Mashkobra Chokopangwa Nachin's work today, loot tomorrow. Is the Tungwarara banking on ED BU 2028? Why is he fighting extremely hard for BU number 3? Open your eyes. Sarapina Mashoko Obuda Pangwa Inoy and advice. Kushinjezo kwetu abandu wa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipita hapa yendo ya makomichi na samdanyira chiti. He is running what he calls presidential empowerment programs, funding the uplifting ZAMPF grassroots. Just yesterday, he launched the presidential boost program to end water shortages in urban areas, solar powered rigs in the ground. Every project he has President mnangagwaZim on the front. Tsiromagena Tungwarara arikutozama by all means kuti number 1 asvike 2030. So ask yourself, why this much money? Why this much energy? Don't you think Tungwarara is aiming to loot millions, if not billions? If bill number 3 passes, he's definitely looking for a chance to loot. He has become the face of the ED 2030 revolution, but revolutions need financiers. Financiers expect a return. These people are up to something, and it's their pockets. He is pumping out resources to support bill number 3, knowing he will get that money back with interest if ED goes beyond 2028. He even convinced opposition MPs to back bill number 3. Do you think he is doing it for nothing? No. Our Kutonzi advisor Manyama, because ano Buddha cash when it comes to supporting ED 2030. His plan is simple: do whatever it takes, risk everything, push ED past 2028, then collect luxurious tenders later, boast today, $1 billion contracts tomorrow. The effort is too much for patriotism. It can only be driven by one motive: work today, loot tomorrow. Kwa wakomana wakabva nepadhubaika awa Tuma developments anobuda chitoko pana kuva inepinda kuma section minutes of great input kudipa mzere vechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like channel bell icon.